If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Digit, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open the Digit app. Launch the Digit app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your transfer details. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once in the app, locate the Transfers section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard, where you can see all your recent transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Scroll through your list of transfers to find the one that is currently pending. It should be clearly marked as pending, allowing you to identify it easily. Step 4. Select the transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the Cancel Transfer option and select it. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the transfer is cancelled successfully. After completing these steps, your pending transfer should be cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Digit's customer support for further assistance.